Amazon may be days away from closing a deal to buy a film studio. Guess which one? MGM. I was just talking about Lions. Amazon.com could be days away. Well, it's the content thing, right? And I think we talked about this before, specifically with Amazon and the new James Bond franchise.
And Rocky.
There's a mid-March deadline for regulators to challenge the online retailers' merger plan approaches. Antitrust agencies in the United States and Europe both have to decide if Amazon's $8.5 billion deal for the nearly century-old studio breaks antitrust law. What a big acquisition. It's like, seems small for Amazon, but then you just look at the number and you're like, wow. Production company, studio, $8.5 billion. Amazon announced the transaction in May of 2021. Well, that must have been when we were talking about it, saying it offered a trove of content for the company to develop and draw consumers to its Prime fast shipping and streaming club. I mean, they gotta go. They're gonna take a look and see if this makes Amazon too powerful.
Yeah.
If this encourages anti-competitiveness. But I understand the content thing, right?
And they got some good content.
I understand the content thing. Everybody wants the content and the brands and the IPs, whether it's all the streaming services. This is one area I believe they think they can differentiate and draw upon and get those inventories online. Everybody wants your monthly streaming dollars. And maybe it's James Bond that just puts you over the top. Maybe you're a big Bond guy or girl.